Local news for Wednesday, the 5th of August. The government has set out the regional allocations of the $761 million three-water stimulus and reform funding for councils that was announced by Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern. Of the allocated funds, South Wairarapa would receive approximately 1.42 million, Carterton 920,000 and Masterton 2.2 million. The Creative Community Scheme is open for projects taking place within 12 months from the 16th of September 2020. The scheme supports and encourages local communities to create and present diverse opportunities for accessing and participating in arts activities, with applications closing on Friday the 28th of August. The number of jobs created by the Provincial Growth Fund investments has outstripped the 10,000 job target set out by the Government and Provincial Development Unit. Wairarapa has been lumped in with Kapiti and Chatham's when it comes to the numbers, but figures are showing 163 extra jobs. And finally in sport and senior reserve rugby, it's semi-finals time this weekend. In the Ryan Cup, East Coast will host Carterton and Greytown will host Puketoi. And in the President's Cup, Gladstone play Ikirahuna and Marist play Martinborough. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.